so excited today because this little package from Scribe has a Traveler's Company haul. This has my Traveler's Notebook inserts. I got them on pre-order, but I was actually super late in pre-ordering because it took me a while to decide on what I wanted for my 2022 setup. But I just decided to get everything I thought I needed, and then I will just figure it out later. So I'm not going to do an initial setup yet. That will be for another video. So this is just a haul. I can't wait any longer, so I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, so I took everything out of the bag. I'm gonna move my coffee so that I have space. And I got some free Halloween treats. It's actually Halloween today from Scribe. So thank you, Scribe. This is going straight to my kid. That's cool. Okay, so here's the haul. I didn't really buy much, like I said, because I'm going to be keeping a lot of this. I've had this for years and years now. This is my, I guess, my main traveler's notebook, and I have my travel journal as well. So I really like the setups of these, so I just have to change out the inserts for next year. So let's get to the haul. So first up is the clear folder. That is very cute. I think this is cuter than last year's. I have last year's in here. This is also super cute, but I like the colors better here. Nice! Let's see how my setup will go with two clear folders. And then I got the Traveler's Times. Always a good thing. I like going through that. Okay, so and then I got the 2022 dated weekly insert and the memo insert. I'll open everything later. And then this is the 2022 monthly. I'll be changing some things in my setup. That's why I got these. And then this is a customized sticker set. So cute. I've never gotten any sticker sets from Traveler's Company before for some reason, so this is my first time. And then this is the pencil board. I have never gotten this as well. I only have a pencil board for my passport TN. I can't seem to find this at all. It always gets sold out super quick, so I'm so happy that I was able to get this time. That's the lineup, that's the haul. I'm going to open each so I can show you. Oops. So yeah, the way this functions is just like a clear folder that you can stick into your TN. And one of the viewers of my videos actually told me in a comment that there's a notch. I didn't know that before, but there's a notch here under, so you can actually stick the cord in there, the elastic. I didn't know that before, so it was just loose in here, but now it's actually stuck to my TN. This is the clear folder from last year. So yeah, you can see the elastic here. is stuck inside the notch. So yeah, secure in there. And these are the stickers. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. I love these. I love the entertainment theme they went with this year. So just random dots. Planner stickers, yay. Oh, I think these are tabs. And this is so nice. This sheet is perfect. I normally don't go for vintagey designs, but with the ends, they're perfect. Okay, let's get those here. And here's a weekly memo. Weekly and memo, actually. I love this blue. Yeah, so this is the layout that I really wanted. I'm not gonna say yet what I'm planning it for, but I like this. There's space for the weekly, and then you get a blank grid sheet on the opposite side of the spread. Plus, you get an overview of the month and the next month. That's really convenient. So, okay. Yeah, so that's up to June, and this is July to December. So yeah, weekly memo. I was saying weekly and memo. Like, these are two different books, but actually it's weekly and memo because you get that memo page and then the weekly page. Cool. So that's the entire year. Yay! This is the guide. So nice to stick in my journal. And the pencil board. Finally, a regular sized pencil board. So there's a ruler on the other side. Keeps ink from blotting. It lets you write straight. So versatile. So many uses. And then this is a monthly insert. I got two of these, yay. I never know what to do with these pages at the start of the inserts. But yeah, that's a monthly. I'm using a monthly now, the small one, the passport size, in my passport TN, but I really needed a space, so I got the regular size monthly for next year. And yeah, that's my haul. So fun. I cannot wait to set up my TN for next year. I'll come back with another video on this soon. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.